Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to change the shader cache size for your NVIDIA graphics card. This can help improve game's performance, reduce stuttering, and make sure shaders load more smoothly. Let's get started. Step 1. Open NVIDIA control panel. First, right-click anywhere on your desktop and select NVIDIA control panel from the menu. If it doesn't show up, make sure your NVIDIA drivers are installed correctly. Step 2. Go to Manage 3D Settings. On the left-hand menu, click on Manage 3D Settings. This is where you can tweak performance and visual quality for your games and apps. Step 3. Find Shader Cache Size option. Scroll down to the list of settings until you find Shader Cache Size. This controls how much space is reserved for storing compiled shaders on your disk. Step 4. Choose a new cache size. Click the drop-down menu and choose the size you want. Options include 3 sizes. If you play a lot of modern games, unlimited is usually a good option. Just make sure you have enough disk space. Step 5. Apply the changes. Once you've chosen your preferred size, click Apply in the bottom right corner. Your settings will be saved and used immediately. Optional: Clear Shader Cache. Want to start fresh? Press Window and R, then type this. Hit Enter and delete everything inside. Do the same for this local. This removes all the cached shaders and can fix some performance issues. And that's it. This was a quick and easy tutorial on how to change the shader cache size in your NVIDIA control panel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.